वापस से
I'm putting milk in the pan. Let's prepare turmeric milk. Put a little bit of turmeric. Okay. Put it on the gas stove. And we need to boil it. One teaspoon of sugar. Stir it and boil this milk. Once it is boiled, your milk is ready and you can drink it. The milk is getting boiled now. See, it's coming up. Give one more boil. It's coming up. Close the stove. Mix it. Turmeric milk is ready. See, the color has changed now. It is very good for cold cough. Let the temperature come down a bit and then you can drink it. Thank you.